Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Notion. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Notion you can add a new database item and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting it up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Notion. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect Notion to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the login and password of your Notion personal account. In this case, I will log in through my Google account. At this stage, we need to grant Save My Leads access to work with your Notion account. To do this, you need to select a page. I recommend granting access to all pages at once so that you can work with them in the future. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select Database. Now you see the Notion fields for creating a new database item. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Notion as a new database item for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Notion. After successful sending, go to Notion and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, go back to Save My Leads and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Notion as a new database item, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the name of the connection, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.